Hi, I'm Melissa from Dasco Home Medical Equipment. Thank you for choosing Dasco. And I'm going to show you a little bit about your sleep machine that you'll be using at home. The settings on this machine may vary according to the results of your sleep titration that you will complete in the lab. The sleep technician will set the machine appropriate for you and can discuss those settings with you. Here's an overall look at what you'll be taking home with you. You will receive a bag that everything packs up into. You can use this bag for travel or transport of your machine at any time. You will also receive the machine, an operating manual, a mask of some sort that the sleep technician will fit you for, and of course the tubing. You will also receive a packet of information from Dasco. This will contain all of our contact information as well as some important details about the cleaning and replacement of your supplies. Now let's take a closer look at operating your machine. In the back, you will find that the power cord is already attached. You will also find a filter, and the cover can be removed simply by pulling that off. The white filter that you'll find inside, you can take that out on a regular basis and brush it off between your fingers. You can continue to reuse the filter, or you will also find that there's a replacement filter in your bag. These are disposable, and you can replace them on a regular basis when you order other supplies as well. Also in the back, you will find the attachment for the tubing. On one end of your tubing, you will find a small connection that looks like an electrical connection. You will attach this to this elbow portion and make sure that you push it tightly onto the elbow piece. On the side of your machine, you will find a smart stick. This is a device to record the data and the usage on the machine. This is very important and can be useful to your doctor. As well as many insurance companies require that we receive a download from your machine to show that you are using the machine, and they will continue to cover the supplies. Your sleep machine also contains a heated humidifier inside of the unit. This will be helpful so that you're not getting dry from using your machine. To open the top, you'll want to put just a little bit of pressure on top and turn the top lid. There is a canister inside, and we do recommend that you use distilled water in this canister. There are fill lines molded on the outside of the canister. One of the most important things to keep in this chamber clean is to take this out each morning and dump any remaining water. You can also wash this canister using soap and water like you wash your dishes. You want to make sure that you're keeping this clean on a regular basis. The back of the canister has just a little bit of a stair step there, and that will go to the back of the machine when you insert it. You'll want to push down, and you can put the lid back on by lining up the two large dots on the lid. Once you line these dots up, then you'll want to push and turn back into place to make sure that the lid is properly on. Once you have the water in the canister, you are now ready to start your sleep therapy. To turn the machine on, you simply use the large circle in the center and push it one time. The screen will light up and the circles will go around just briefly. And you will feel the air start to come through the tubing. The machine is now on at the set pressure. There is also a feature that we call the ramp. You can activate the ramp by pushing and holding the same button for 3 to 5 seconds. You will hear a chime from the machine, and you will also see a little triangle light up at the bottom of the screen. This ramp feature allows you to temporarily lower the pressure setting, and the machine will automatically increase back up to your set pressure over a 20-minute period. You can activate this at any time. It helps you get used to using the machine as well as fall asleep without having the high pressure. You can also make adjustments to the heated humidifier on your machine according to your dryness or comfort. To do this, we're going to look at the circles that go around the outside. You can simply turn the dial one spot to the right, and you will see a picture of a little thermometer, as well as a number in the center of the screen. This number corresponds with the heat and humidification setting. To change it, you'll hit the button in the center, and you'll make your change. Increasing the number will increase the moisture as well as the heat, and decreasing will decrease both of them. 0 is off for the heater plate inside the machine. Once you have your setting, you hit the button to lock it into place. Back to the 12 o'clock position, and we will be able to turn the machine on. You can also make adjustments to your humidifier when your machine is on in the same manner. You just simply look for the circle that's at the top of the screen, turn it one spot to the right, and you will see that little thermometer again, as well as the number in the middle of the screen. So let's do a quick review of what you'll do each night to start your machine. First, you'll put water in the top, and we do recommend distilled water. And then simply to turn on the machine, you're going to hit the button in the center one time. Once the air has come on, remember you can also decrease the pressure temporarily by pushing and holding that button for about 3 to 5 seconds. Once you hear the chime from the machine, you will see the little triangle at the bottom, and this means that the ramp feature has been activated. To turn the machine off, you simply hit the same button in the center. You will notice that the current time is displayed in the window. Your machine also has features to function as an alarm clock. These settings can be accessed by turning the menu dial, and you will find these features on the right side of the menu circle. Please refer to the operator manual for more instruction on setting these features. Keeping your supplies clean is also very important. All of your supplies can be washed in soap and water like you wash your dishes. The tubing can be rinsed out and hang it over a towel rack or shower curtain to drip out and air dry. The canister comes out, and it's very important to keep that clean as well. It is also important to clean your mask so that you don't have soreness or irritation. The portion of the mask that touches your face is called the cushion. This is removable and replaceable. The headgear can be washed by hand and let it air dry. You can also choose to use a vinegar and water solution as a good disinfectant on all your supplies. All of these supplies can be replaced on a regular basis. Please refer to the DASCO packet for more information about cleaning and replacing your supplies. Thank you again for choosing DASCO Home Medical Equipment. I might be pretty good at guessing that this is not something that you had on your bucket list of things to do in life. However, we at DASCO want to help you get positive results from your sleep therapy. Please don't hesitate to call us if you have questions about your equipment or supplies. It is our mission to help you breathe, sleep, and feel better.